I'm gonna see if she could offer. Well, I could offer. I have so many more fidgets. I'm pretty sure she'll accept this time. Hello, I came back. Can I offer for your bread squishy?
They're my dream fidgets. Get all of these.
For free?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I got so many fidgets. Oh. Look at this panda squishy and this cute poppet. And I even got a jumbo one. A squishy. Another squishy. Oh my god, a Nito, my dream. And lastly, a bread squishy, also my dream. Thank you for trading with me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. That's it for today, folks.